We're going to be taking a look at this wireless HDMI transmitter receiver kit that was sent over to me to check out. I'm going to give you guys a close-up look at this kit, then I'm going to fire it up on my laptop and projector and give you a quick demo. Let's jump right into it. The kit includes everything you need to get connected. You've got both your wireless transmitter and receiver. You've got some USB to USB-C cords here. This is for running power to the units if the host device doesn't have internal power. You've got a HDMI male to female adapter, and you've also got a couple of HDMI to micro HDMI adapters here, along with a pretty detailed user and instruction manual. All right, so this here couldn't be easier to set up. Basically, you're going to plug in your receiver into your projector or TV. You will need a power source for that side. On the laptop side, my laptop powered up the transmitter, so I didn't have to do anything on the laptop side other than plug it in. As you can see, I've got a presentation up on the screen there, and I can cycle through the presentation from my laptop. So this is perfect if you're doing some type of presentation in a conference room or in a auditorium where you have to project your screen onto a monitor of some sorts. Now, this also will play sounds. So this here is some copyright-free music on YouTube. So whether it be just a straight presentation or a video of some sorts where you need to actually play the sound, this here will transmit both of them. So if you guys are looking for a easy to use HDMI transmitter receiver kit, I highly recommend this kit here. I hope this helps.